Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh. Today we are going to be talking about Ethereum and its native token Ether. So as you can see, Ether had a upgrade related to Chappella, and I just wanted to provide an price action overview on a weekly scale. Since we last talked about Ethereum, which was a month ago actually. So on your screen you can see that since June of 2022, Ethereum has left this red zone, which was kind of an overvalued zone per estimation. So it also coincides with this line, the red line flipping white, which is the 100-week moving average, and also not shortly after that we had another dump where Ethereum's price moved below 200 week moving average as well as at one point 300 week moving average, which is the line in yellow is 200 week while the orange is 300 week. But after that move below 300 in June of 2022, Ethereum has been putting in higher lows, and for the first time it has also put higher highs since August of 2022. So right now the price of Ethereum is around $2,100, and I'll just get rid of a few indicators so that we can focus on the other ones. Yeah, so let's check the current price of Ethereum, which is 2109, whereas the weekly SMA is at $1,500, 20-week SMA, and 20-week EMA is at $1,600. So I just wanted to provide an update on how it looks on monthly scale as well. At a monthly level, the Ethereum's price, as you can see, again left this is just to 20 month and 20 month EMA and SMA. So now Ethereum's price is above the 20 month SMA, which is $1,800, while the current price is around $2,100, while the 20-week EMA is at $2,300. So and at the bottom you can see that there are two bars. One is the bar in red, which is the Z score of Ethereum. So at a standard Z statistic, which is the range is from 7 standard deviation away from mean to less than 1 standard deviation away from mean. So in the last bull market we came as high as about 5 standard deviation away from mean during the last bull market, but during the bear market this transitioned into a green zone, which is the undervaluation zone. We have briefly peaked our head above this undervaluation zone, so I just wanted to inform you about that as well. I hope you like this content. If you do, please give us a like or subscribe to our channel. I'll see you tomorrow and make some AI based predictions on an altcoin tomorrow.